Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the ElevenLabs API. So as you can see, I'm now on the ElevenLabs website, and basically what you need to do is you need to go to elevenlabs.io/API to get all the information you need. So first of all, you can use ElevenLabs API for free. That's a really great thing about ElevenLabs. You can use it for free and you can get started with ElevenLabs API for free on your website, on your tool, on your app. I don't know where you want to use it for, but you can use it for free and do not have a paid. You don't need to have a paid plan. And the best thing is, it's a highest quality audio output, low latency turbo model, and you can build faster than ever. And this is a new feature they just released, which is ElevenLabs Grants, and you can basically get 3 months for free to build, test, and launch your product with ElevenLabs Voices. Again, you can use ElevenLabs characters, 11 million ElevenLabs characters included per month. That's over 200 hours of generated audio. And you can get the level of benefits, including high scale capacity and early access to new features. That an enterprise plan would get, but they of course pay a lot of money for that, and you can get that for free. So basically, what you need to do is, I guess you are. When you want to use this API, you are hopefully registered as a company, and you just need to go and read through the terms and conditions. So they gave basically every information you need to know. Please read it carefully, because you might get charged if you go over a certain character usage. But if you're satisfied with all the terms and conditions, you just tap on this button and you proceed to application, and they will probably accept you. Also, it's important to give all of your company info and project info so they can accept you. But they will probably accept you because they have accepted a lot of people, and they are very tolerant with this. Okay, so again, you see all of the API features, but how to actually use the API. So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way up, and you want to tap on API reference right here. Okay, so let me go to this one, and this will redirect you to the API reference, and here you can see all of the documentation, or basically everything you need to know to get started with the API, ElevenLabs API. So first of all, you see all of the guidelines. You see how does the AI model work, and this is very boring stuff. You just need to go through it, but I recommend you reading everything, because it's very important. Because you're just playing with money. You're adding an API. You're connecting things. You're doing very stuff that can go wrong. So read through it very well, and again, then you can copy all of the code and basically paste it to your website. It's very easy, and again, it's completely free. Alright, so here you can see all of the information. You can copy a text to speech. You can copy all of the APIs to your website, and again, it's not that hard. It's very easy once you go through it. You just need to read this, because it's very important. Of course, I can tell you everything, but you need to that takes the same time, and you really need to read it yourself, so you know what to do and know what not to do, which is also very important. Okay, so this is the site where you can find all the information. You can also find information about reducing latency and stuff like that. So they really help you. And if you have a question, you can just go to the help center of ElevenLabs, and they are very tolerant again to help you with all of your questions. Or you can just go to the Discord community of ElevenLabs, and they will help you with your question, or the community will help you with your question. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If you have any questions, just let them know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.